Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss Steam won't start and quick fixes explained. Number 1. Force close Steam processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Right click any Steam processes, for example steam.exe, and select End Task. Force quieting ensures no background processes are interfering with Steam's launch. Number 2. Restart your computer. Click on the Start menu, select Power and then Restart. Restarting clears system memory and resolve minor glitches that might be preventing Steam from starting. Number 3. Run Steam as administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as administrator. Ensure Steam has the necessary permissions to function correctly. Number 4. Clear Steam's download cache. Press Win plus R, type steam /flush config and press enter. Clear corrupted cache files that could be hindering Steam's launch. Number 5. Update graphics drivers. Press Win plus X, device manager, then expand display adapters. Right click your graphic adapter and then update driver. Updated drivers ensures compatibility and optimal performance for Steam. Number 6. Disable antivirus temporarily. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and try launching Steam again. Antivirus programs can sometimes block Steam from starting, so disabling it temporarily helps identify if that's the issue. Number 7. Reinstall Steam. Uninstall Steam via Control Panel, Programs, uninstall a program, then reinstall it from the official Steam website. A fresh installation replaces any corrupted or missing files that may prevent Steam from starting. Number 8. Check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Keeping Windows updated ensures compatibility with Steam and other applications. Number 9. Check disk space. Open this PC. Check the available space on the drive where Steam is installed. Insufficient disk space can prevent Steam from launching properly. Number 10. Disable background applications. Close unnecessary background application via Task Manager to free up system resources. Background applications consume resources and can interfere with Steam performance. Number 11. Contact Steam support. If none of the above steps work, visit Steam support to submit a support ticket. Steam support can assist with more complex or account-specific issues preventing Steam from starting. Thanks for watching.